first finalist.
It's a Latin dance popularized in South America. Let's welcome Rita from grade 8A!
Hi, I'm Bria, but my stage name is Nightingale, and I'll be singing a song called Easy on Me by Adele. My biggest inspiration are some classical singers that I really look up to, and Adele, the singer that I was just talking about, she's my favorite singer.
Hi, I'm Kanaya, and I'm so excited to share this beautiful dance with all of you. I hope you all enjoy it. My name is Arushi, and I'm going to be singing Shallow by Lady Gaga. This is my first time doing a solo song, and I feel really nervous.
My name is Shubhang, and I'll be showcasing my talent of rapping today for y'all.
We are the musical gamblers, and we are your win it.
Song about never change anything, don't change yourself. I was sitting there reflecting on this year, and I thought about all of the challenges we've gone through. But you know what? Those challenges that we faced have led us here today. So you know what? I wouldn't change a thing, because we are who we are today because of all of those challenges we face. So give yourself and your teachers a big round of applause.
First of all, can we get another round of applause for the wonderful performers today? It would seem a little wrong for me to give advice for such amazing people, but what I will say is, keep going. Every one of you has shown immense talent, commitment, and bravery today. Every performance was incredible. I know for myself and the other judges, a difficult decision has had to be made, but everything that you're doing so far is working. Keep going. You're going to be superstars if you're not already. Thank you very much.
In no particular order, I'm going to call them up.